Hello, and welcome to a clip show. I hate clip shows.
Well, this one's not bad because it's the top 10 OMG moments. I'm not sure what OMG means.
It means, oh my God, we shouldn't do a clip show and go all shades of gray. That's a much more obscure reference than you might think.
I thought it meant we were going to show our top 10 most shocking moments.
Yeah, that too. We thought of the moments that made us put our hands over our mouths. Well, anyway, we took those moments and ordered them from, oh my God, to, oh my God!
For your enjoyment.
No, there is it almost. Yuck. Ooh, I have always wanted you, Fiona. Do skimp all the time. Hot. I've almost got feeling in my leg.
I want ice cream. Then this is the place. I want ice cream. Take it in your face. Oh, yummy.
I can't take it.
Wow, what the heck is going on?
Brilliant! A cigar to go with the ashtrays.
Oh, I get it.
Yes.
Yes. All right.
Look! I have a testicle tattoo of Justin Bieber tongue-fisting a chicken! Take them all the way off. All right. Okay, there. Okay.
All right.
Now, let's get down and, okay, now we gotta press, so lift your leg.
Which leg? This one?
Ow, no, not that one,
All right.
the other one.
Okay, there we
All
go.
right.
Can you roll a little bit?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. Oh, you're pinching.
Oh, sorry.
Okay.
Thrusting, fire, groaning, deeper, buttocks, turgid, inches, arching, firmly.
He's going to blow!
No, Peanut, no, keep your pants. Oh my God. Get your pants back. Oh, Jesus. Oh, God. Oh no, in school, no crows. Oh no.
You want it.
Pressed ham with fart flambe in your face. Okay. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. I didn't mean to. Oh, my God. Gambled and lost.
That was you? Oh my God. Oh my God. I get it.
I guess our clip show wasn't quite like being infected with nerve microbes.
What?
If you missed any of these episodes, I suggest you check the links provided.
And if you think there are other OMG moments we missed, please write your favorites in the comments.
A lot of these had to do with crotches.
I noticed.
Thank you. And be wary of any residual memory loss from the neural stimulating clip show process. Okay, this would be helpful if one of us were left-handed.
I don't think I am.
No, okay,
All right.
that's all right. Scooch,
Oh,
scooch closer. We
all
gotta
right,
press
all right.
these suckers together. Now move your nuts. Okay,
Oh,
I lift
all
in.
right, all right.
Lift with one hand, scooch with the other.
I got it there.
Okay, we don't want to cramp a ball in here.
Is that your leg?
No.
Oh.